Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.38 trillion, up 3.9% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is sitting at 45.1%. If we're looking at the overall markets, guys, everything is looking very nice still. And a lot of analysts, as I have mentioned, are calling this to be the next leg up for the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. So very exciting times ahead for the cryptocurrency space. But today I want to talk about none other than Vechain. Alright guys, if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, Vechain is currently trading at 21.3 cents. It's down 4.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 5.6% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. It currently ranks on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at the top 14 spot, and I believe this is the month where we will reach top 10. And market cap right now is $13.8 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $2.3 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in the last year alone, Vechain is up a staggering 4,600%. In just the last 30 days, we're up 126.3%. So if we're looking at the bigger picture, guys, everything is looking absolutely bullish. But today I wanted to share this interesting article with you guys. I have shared this in the previous time, but I believe there's a lot of newcomers coming into the markets and onto my channel. So I want to share this bullish news and really let them know what kind of organizations are really trying to get into crypto. So Visa said that they see Bitcoin as digital gold and will work towards integrating crypto in their systems in many ways. During Visa's Q2 2021 earnings call, the company showed interest in fully integrating a cryptocurrency payment system into the current infrastructure, with several interesting elements that would push the boundaries of the bridge between a legacy finance and the crypto world as we know it. Most notably, Visa CEO Alfred Kelly stated that the companies viewed Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies assets as digital gold. Visa's growing interest in the cryptocurrency space. This has been a long time coming, ever since Visa began experimenting with their first crypto API in February. The next month, Visa announced that they would be using USDC to settle transactions on Ethereum, which was a landmark move. How Visa's plan will manifest. So potential plans include enabling direct cryptocurrency purchases on all Visa card worldwide, cryptocurrency conversion system at Visa's merchant checkpoints, and allowing financial institutions to settle cryptocurrency transactions with stable coins like USDC. More interestingly, opening the floodgates by enabling direct crypto purchases on all 2.5 billion Visa cards would be a game changer, since it would make purchasing Bitcoin and other crypto assets far easier than ever before. This will doubtless create a massive boost in demand for popular cryptocurrencies in a mid to long term range. Very bullish. So if you're coming new to my channel, I had to share this with you guys. This goes to show where cryptocurrencies are really heading. And then, we might not even need to ever get out of cryptocurrencies, into our fiat, money. We could just go straight in and, purchase anything that we want with cryptocurrencies. That's where the future is headed, and it gets me extremely excited. But now if we're looking at Vechain's price right now, guys, Vechain is doing exactly as I predicted, and you guys can go watch my video from yesterday and the day before and you will see that. So if you guys know, I did say we need to be accumulating and trading sideways for a couple days before we do see some newer highs, and that's exactly what happened. Let me bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool so you guys should get a better understanding. So let's bring this out quickly. Alrighty. Okay, so if we bring out this tool, okay, so I said I would like for it to accumulate in this range for a while, for a couple of days, and then see, move towards the upside. Exactly, this is what we did, guys. And then we were traded sideways here for a couple while, and then we came here. And if you guys go watch my video, I said we might see some choppiness around here, because this is the level of resistance. And look, guys, we came down right after we got to the same exact level we got down. So now what I'm thinking is, I wouldn't mind for it to trade in this range for a couple of days as well, and we need a more volume to kick in. If more volume were to kick in, this is it, guys. This is what's happening, and 30 cents is coming this month. Everything is looking absolutely, insane for Vechain. If we're measuring it from its current price towards the all-time high, we're only away 32% away from its all-time high. So when more volume were to kick in, it's just a matter of time, guys, when we smash past this newer all-time high and head towards 30 cents. But short immediate term, for the next couple of days, I would not be surprised if we were to trade within this range. Even if we were to fall back down to this level, very bullish in my opinion. We trade sideways for a while, and then finally we get some more buying pressure to kick in, and then we are off to the races. The charts are primed to break out, and considering what Vechain is doing, as you guys may know, I have been saying on and on and on that Vechain is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, if not one of the top, like it's up there with Cardano in my opinion, if you guys know. Because Vechain is solving real world problems, guys, and they are bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. And the most important thing is they actually have a working product. That's like literally such a good thing in my opinion. They have a working product, and they're working with some big organizations, some big well-known companies around the world that are actually using Vechain Thor blockchain within their organization on a day-to-day basis. And if you're new to my channel and you have not heard about this, let me share this quickly with you guys. Vechain is partnered with some of the biggest organizations around the world, such as PwC, H&M, DHL, BMW, AWS. List goes on, and recently Salesforce. So that goes to show what these guys are really solving, and they are bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. And I believe projects like these during the bull run will absolutely succeed and be one of the most successful coins. And as you guys may know, my stance on Vechain, I believe this year my personal initial price prediction was 38 cents that I made last year when Vechain was way below a penny. You guys can go watch my video on how I got that 38 cents price prediction. But guys, we're nearly at that 38 cents price prediction already, and it was way sooner than I expected. But now a lot of analysts are calling this to be the biggest altcoin season that we have ever seen, and that is to be expected. We are seeing institutionals coming in. We are seeing big players like hedge fund managers coming into the markets because they want to hedge against inflation with crypto, and they are starting to see the potential of cryptocurrencies. So we are about to see the biggest altcoin season ever and the biggest bull run, which we already are seeing. And I can easily see, if we were to see some sort of that type of magnitude of a parabolic bull cycle that we saw back in 2017, Vechain can easily hit $1 and possibly even higher. But $1 is the target this year, and I believe, I'm very, very confident, as long as Bitcoin were not to have a shake off, or if everything goes as planned and we were to get that altcoin rally that everyone is anticipating, which will come. Let me share this with you guys. I'm going to share another chart with you guys. Vechain will succeed. And despite the fact we're not only looking at this year, okay, even if this year bull run ends, by historic patterns, bull run should top out at the end of this year. But we're going to be looking at the long term as well. Vechain holders, the majority of the Vechain holders are in it for the long haul. But that does not mean you cannot take profits. You can take profits and, get back in, get back in when the prices do, go down a bit. So profits, are very important to take. And if you're new to my channel, I always say this. Always do your own due diligence and research, and always invest where you can afford to lose, and have patience, because patience is the number one key in crypto. And you do not want to be shaken out by the whales when they do try to market and manipulate the markets, because that's their number one goal, to shake out the weak hands, and you do not want to be the weaker hand. So everything is looking very, very well for Vechain. Everything is going as planned, and I believe this is the month of May, where we will smash past our all-time high and head towards 30 cents and above. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see Vechain being traded at the end of May. But now, obviously I have to look at the bearish scenario as well. Let's say Bitcoin goes down back to 50K. Yes, there is downwards potential for Vechain as well. I always look at that because I am not a moon boy. I keep things realistic. If that were to happen, yes, we can go back down to this level, the 61.8. That's a strong level of support. If we're unable to hold around this range, we can go back down to that 13 cents range. There's a lot of support around that level. But I highly doubt that we will go there now, because the bullish scenario is outweighing the bearish scenario clearly, because markets are recovering and the momentum is building up. So I do not see that happening, but the chance is always there. But now let's look at this that I wanted to share with you guys. So if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap, so this is the entire crypto market cap, including Bitcoin and altcoins. As you guys can see, we let me put this in perspective. So nothing, when I say nothing goes up straight forever, this is a prime example for you guys. And you know how I always say, you do not want to be shaken out. Again, this is a perfect example. If we're looking at it, guys, back in at the beginning of this year, this was the first market correction that we saw right here, one, and then this was the second one, and this was the third one, and the fourth flash crash and the correction that we just saw was around here. And look, we have already recovered and hit a newer all-time high for a market cap. And if we're measuring all these, they're all about the same type of pullbacks, guys. So if we measure, we came down 27%. We measured this cycle, we came down 26%. We measured this one, and we came down 16.39%. And we measured this one, we came down 24%. So roughly all cycles, we did see we did see 3 major 20% pullbacks, and I have even seen 30 to 40% in previous bull cycles. So this goes to show, guys, nothing is gonna go up straight forever. If someone is telling you that one altcoin is just gonna go straight up in one line, guys, that altcoin is a scam. And also, patience is key. Look at this. This is a prime example right in front of us. And imagine if people panic sold around these levels, markets, and recovered, it probably hurts. You know what I mean? So this is just a perfect example for you guys, and I had to share this with you guys. And markets are heading towards a newer all-time high, and I believe 3 trillion is the next top for cryptocurrencies before we do see some other shake off. But yeah, everything is looking very, very nice for crypto. And that's it for today's update for you guys. I wanted to share a quick update with you guys because you guys have been loving my updates. So thank you so much for all the support. Like always, you guys mean the world to me, each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for showing so much support. And it really, really does mean the world to me. And also, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And keep showing me support. This is just the absolute beginning, and let me know in the comment section below which other altcoins you would like me to cover, and leave in the comment section below where you could see Vechain being traded at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts. And with that being said, guys, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.